Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a power hour. It's Tuesday. If you know that I spend most weekends at my grandpa's, you know that I start my week on Tuesday usually. So I'm starting my week today. Yesterday was a little bit weird. Usually I come home and do my plan for the week and do my budget and figure out YouTube on Monday night. Last night was a little off. So I'm doing everything today, and I figured if I'm going to do it, I may as well film it and make it a power hour. So that's what I'm going to do. So okay, I'm going to show you the list, and I'm going to show you what time it is. Okay, the list is just on my board. I've got to do my plan and my budget, food list. I've got to clean the kitchen and the laundry room. I've got to start a load of laundry. Hopefully the laundry will be at least in the dryer. And then I've got to do my YouTube schedule. And then these are 2 videos I'm working on. And if I have time, I want to look up some stuff to do around where my cousins are in Florida, because I don't know if I'm going to Florida yet. But if I am, there will be videos on that. But before I do anything, I want to see, before I make plans for sure that I'm going, I want to see what there is. Okay. So it is 10:54. And I'm going to watch an Ultimate Clean with me. Well, listen to it and not watch it while I'm doing this. And I think Roxy is going to help. So the time, once again, it is 12:54 or 10:54. Yes, I have until 11:54 to get this done. Okay, so it is 11:54. I finished right on time. I got everything on this list done. I've got to put the laundry in the dryer and fold it though, but that ain't anything huge. So, other than putting the laundry in the dryer, I finished everything on my list except for looking for places to go in Florida, but I figured I probably wouldn't get to that anyway with everything I had to do. And I think the washer just clicked over, so I think it should be done. So I'm gonna go finish my laundry and finish everything else I have to do today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you've not done so already, hit the red subscribe button down below. And other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.